Here's an AirTemp air conditioner one. I think it has a Copeland scroll compressor. This is a type of Nortek. Yeah, from it's a 4-ton. I'll have to decode the year, but it might be from 2019. Yeah, this thing is dirty, so we're gonna have to clean this thing soon. It's got a broad ocean fan. That is spinning pretty slow on it. This is, I think, the first ever AirTemp I've seen. Yeah, that is working really good. The section line is ice cold and sweaty. The wick line is close to outdoor temperature, which is in the mid-80s. Got a filter jar right there. It's kind of like the one in my Goodman. We got our disconnect right here. I'm not gonna pull it. I think it has microchill. This unit might have microchill. This unit has microchill. York's happened too. 410A. Oh, it just turned off.
What did you do?
Alright, what kind of compressor's in it, buddy?
Copeland Squirrel, Emerson.
Oh, nice.
Oh wow, it's got cat blades. Yeah, cat ear blades. There's a better look at the Copeland Squirrel in there. It's got cat fan blades. The Emerson Copeland Squirrel. That's a straight cool unit.
Yeah, it's not a heat pump, huh?
Yeah. It's a straight cool. Section line is decently cold.
Hey, buddy. You ready? Are you all done?
Mm-mm.
Well, we got work to do. You can't check out the AC in the whole time.
You hear that? Did you just hear that? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's from 2019. It's a Nortek.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Just gonna check the unit the whole time? You know what's behind that door? A big dog. Don't open that door.
Tula.
Okay? Tula's in there. So don't open that door, okay? You know that's Scotty's mom. Yep. Tula's Scotty's mom. Don't open the door though, okay? She doesn't know you.
I wish I had an ECM.
You like that unit?
Yeah.
Pretty nice, huh?
I've actually never seen an AirTemp before.
It's a cool machine. It is a cool unit.
See the compressor?
Pretty nice, yeah, right in the middle of the machine.
Yeah, it's got a Copeland Squirrel.
Yeah, it's got a high pressure safety on it. Right on the discharge line coming out of the compressor.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yeah, they're simple, but they're
See, it's got microchannel.
good.
It's got a microchannel core.
You can see what kind of motor it's got right here.
It's a
the
broad
horsepower,
ocean.
quarter horse.
It's a broad ocean motor.
Quarter horsepower condenser fan motor. How many RPMs is it? It is
The fan was spinning so on it.
It is 1075 RPMs.
It was working really good because the line was wet.
Run capacitor for this motor is 7.5 microfarads.
Sits inside this
It's
compartment.
inside the compartment. They got a dual run cap
The energy guys
compressor
won.
and
Energy guys won.
fan.
Got the data to Nortek.
I installed this years ago, Jameson. Years ago.
It's a Nortek,
Nortek.
which is by Nordyne.
Yeah.
They got some really interesting fan blades,
Pretty cool.
just in my opinion. I've actually never seen
What's that?
these like cool blades.
Oh, the fan blade?
Yeah,
Or the grill for the condenser fan?
blades.
The blades? Yeah. Remember, never stick your hands in there or anything.
They got
because
cat ears.
it could turn on at any time, right? You could cycle on at any time, so don't stick your hands or anything weird like that in there. It's not hot. The motor? Yeah, it's fine.
Whoa, Max.
Yeah, it's a good machine. Maybe
Oh,
I'll
wait.
go.
I think I found something
AirTemp
like
when
that.
we do ours. Hey, what's that? Get all dirty, dude. Hey, up. Come on, up.
I think this unit was installed 6 years ago.
So Lakeside High School is getting 2 new chillers, huh?
As you can see, it is a good install because I like when it's like that. There's some exposed wires there. It's got the boots in there. Of course, it's Copeland School. This is actually huge, and it's a 4-ton. What the heck?
They're basically dual purpose and generate power.
Right.
To the grid, and we get a percentage of that. And that's what that is.
They never did the right startup.
Well, they're just beat to shit. Nope, we're not doing it anymore.
Not doing it anymore.
No, that's